guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. So for today's tutorial, this is the extension that we'll be using. It's called 4 locks and I'll be cutting it into 2. So as you can see, I already did a single braid off camera. I see no reason for me to be showing how I did a single braid because most people can do single braids and it's just unnecessary for me to show it in this clip. And also I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long and boring. That was why I didn't include that part to it. What I want you guys to know about the braiding pattern is that you don't want it to be too thick or too thin. You want it to be a moderate size, because if it's too thin, then it will break the client's hair, and if it's too thick, you'll find it difficult to hide it in between the dread extension, the extension you are using. It will be so difficult to hide the person's hair in between. And if your client has a thin hair naturally, like me, I have a really thin hair, I can't do this hair without adding an extension. You just had an extension and that will serve as an anchor so that all the weight of the extension won't be on the client's hair if the person has a thick hair. But for my client today, she has a really thick hair, so you don't need to add any extension to her braids. And also, if you are doing this style, you don't want the braids to be too long. If it's too long, you want to fold. So as you can see guys, I'm sewing the 4 locks extension directly to her hair, and after that I folded the hair into 2 and her real hair is in between the 4 locks, and I'm sewing in such a way that it will hide her real hair, and also that the thread that I'm using to sew won't be seen. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I'm hiding the thread inside the extension hair that I'm using. So there's a technique to sewing this hair. You guys, this style looks easy, it looks simple, but it's not. You guys have to watch it carefully if you are looking forward to doing something like this. So you want to watch it carefully, watch it closely, and you can also watch it over and over again if you still don't get what I'm doing. So I'll leave you guys to continue watching from here. I think I've given you guys all the necessary explanations that is needed in this first half. So you guys should continue watching. And also, one other thing I want you guys to know and bear in mind is that I'm not just sewing this hair once. I'm sewing it thoroughly until I see that the hair and the extensions is well secured together. So that is what you should put in mind as well.
His body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. She a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vicky, bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me.
So guys, when I was done sewing the hair, I started rubbing the hair together with my palms, and this will give the hair a seamless look. Guys, this hair is so nice, and actually it doesn't look nice now because it's still really tight and stiff, but I promise you after 1 week, 2 weeks, then the beauty starts coming out. And yeah, that's it, guys.
Hey, his body, baby, oh. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
If you are looking for a hairstyle that can last you for 2, 3, or even 4 months, I would advise you to go for something like this, because the older it gets, the better it becomes. Yes, so if you are looking for something that will last you for a while, this hairstyle is the best. Like really, I can tell you it's the best. I've done it before and it's really good and it lasted for a while. So when I was done doing this part, I went ahead to moisturize our scalp with my oil mix. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also put on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and God bless you. Bye.
Man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this.